Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Simplykrystelle. So today's video is going to be a beginner friendly makeup tutorial. This is not like a specific tutorial, but I just wanted to show you guys like an easy, quick, nice makeup look that you can do especially if you're a beginner in makeup. So if you want to see a beginning makeup tutorial, then just keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to obviously do is prime my face. I'm going to use two primers. I'm actually trying this one out. This is from the Skin Supplement Company, and this is the Serum Glow Filter Face Primer. So I'm going to take one pump of this. I actually got this in my BoxyCharm. I just never used it. But I'm going to take this, and I'm just going to apply it all over my face. It'll come out. This has like gold or something in it to make your skin glowy, but I'm just gonna take this and apply it all over my face. And then on top of that, I'm gonna take the Rare Beauty pore diffusing primer, which I really love, and I'm going to apply this in my T-zone area, especially those areas of my face that I tend to get oily, my nose, between my brows, and I also get oily on my cheeks as well. For a foundation, I'm actually going to take a foundation I've really been loving. This is the Nars Light Reflecting Foundation. I have mine in the shade Macoa, and I just have really been enjoying this foundation. I don't know what it is about this foundation, but I think I just love that it's so natural, but yet it does cover. And I'm taking a sponge to apply this, but yeah, ever since getting this foundation, I have really been loving it. And something I like too is it's so lightweight. Like, it's not that heavy cakey foundation. And I think like with now, like ever since around like 2020, like the whole light makeup thing is really in right now, and that's how I really do my makeup now. I don't do like super heavy full glam makeup. I do a lot of like airy, natural, light makeup. I think that's just really what's in, and also it's just, to me, it's just more appealing to, like, don't get me wrong, I still love, you know, like to look at super full glam looks, and I don't mind doing those once in a while, but I think like majority of the time my makeup is very natural. And as a beginner, something I didn't do a lot was I didn't blend my foundation all the way. Like, I would like stop blending it like here, but now I really take it to my hair. You have to make sure you really blend your foundation. Some people even blend the foundation on their ears. I don't, because I'm wearing earrings and I just don't want my earrings to get dirty, but I blend all around my face. I even go underneath my chin. That's something I didn't do. I would always like leave my forehead unblended, and that's something I've learned, you know. Now I'm gonna go in with concealer. I'm actually going to be testing out this concealer from Patrick Starrr. This is from One Size, and this is the Turn Up the Base Butter Silk Concealer. I'm going to try mine in the shade Dark 3G, Dark Golden, because I have more so golden undertones. So I'm going to take this, and we're going to take the sponge. This actually looks like it could be similar to my skin tone. Oh, it's a little lighter. Okay, it's lighter. That's good. I think I took a little too much, but you know what, we're gonna use it to prime my eyelids as well. So I'm just gonna take it up and blend it in there. And something I learned too is, like, when you're applying the under eye concealer, you can look up. This really is nice. Like, it really brightened up my under eye. Like, do you see this? Like, very like dewy. Something I think it's my skincare, because every foundation I apply now is like super dewy, but I'll show you guys how I really mattify it. I mattify, but then I kind of dewify it too. I don't even know if dewify is the word, but Anyways, I just made that word up. But I mattify it and then I kind of add that dew back because I don't want it to be too matte, but I'll show you guys like what I like to do. I'm just gonna keep blending that, and I'm gonna look up. I'm going to take the Essence Banana Powder. If you have not used this, this is really good, and especially for darker skin tones, it does not give that flashback that some translucent powders do give. This one is really good, and I just love how soft it makes my under eye area. Like my skin just looks super soft. Like let me show you guys. Like look how soft my skin just looks, and there's no filter on this camera or anything. This is like my skin the way it is. And I'm just gonna take a little bit and apply that in the between my eyebrows like this. After I do the foundation, everything, I really like to go in with bronzer. So I'm going to take this Sephora bronzed bronzer, and this is in Ibiza, and I'm going to go in lightly with this because I just want to add some color to my skin, even though my skin looks pretty much like the same. But you know, bronzer just gives you like that nice, like just like bronzy, like it gives you just that added depth and that color. So I'm going to go in with this, and this bronzer, be careful to go in with a light hand because it's very pigmented, and I've made several mistakes with this bronzer going in with heavy hand, and like it just looks like really too much. So I would really recommend with this one, start off lightly and just build it to your liking. I'm going to just go here. My bronzer, I used to bring it down, but now I take it up here and then I stop like right here. I don't do the whole thing just because for me, my face shape, it's the best technique for me to do. So I'm just gonna take that and apply. You see how much bronzer I have like right here, and then I'm just gonna blend that in there. And I'm taking this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Polish Finish finishing powder. This is like a powder in my skin tone. I'm going to take this not only to set my face, but I'm also going to use it to clean up my bronzer and to make it more look clean, to clean up that bronzer. When I do this, I like to take a fluffy brush to do it, so I just dip it in the powder. And this is one of the best setting powders I have ever used. It is pricey. It's about 40 something I think, or close to 50, but it's really good. So as you see, like I'm going in here and I'm cleaning up that bronzer, but I'm also setting my face at the same time. Just gonna clean it up like that. Gonna take a little bit on my forehead, and this powder really, I feel like, does a great job at controlling oils. Like if you have a lot like oily skin, like I feel like this powder really does control it. So just gonna do this, that. And that's basically the base. So before I do my blush, I'm actually gonna do my eyes really quick. The eyes, very simple, very easy. We're only gonna do like 2 colors, and I'm taking this Wonder palette that I had gotten in BoxyCharm. I really love this palette. It is so beautiful to me, and I'm really gonna work with these 3 shades right here. Yeah, I think actually I'm gonna use this one to like start out with. I'm gonna use this one, and then I'm gonna use these 3 right here. I'm gonna keep it very simple. This part, very easy, very simple. We're gonna start off with this shade right here, Nude Beach. I'm gonna take this, and this is gonna be like my transition shade. I'm gonna take that and really just blend it in there. And then I'm gonna take Sunkissed, which is this orangey shade right here, and I'm actually gonna focus that into my crease area. And then to add that depth, on the outer V, I'm just going to take this shade Overnight, and the same brush I used Sunkissed with. I'm going to take this brown very lightly, and I am going to do the outer V, but I'm also going to bring it into my crease as well. And you know what, honestly, I don't even want to put an eyelid shade, but I want to take Daydream, and I kind of want to use that as an inner corner highlight. So I'm going to take Daydream and just pop that in here. Pop it right in there, like that. And I'm going to just pop it on this side. That looks really beautiful. And also something you could do too is you can take some of that Overnight shade, or like a dark brown shade, and you could just smoke out the outer V of my under eye and just connect the two like that. We're gonna go in with some mascara. I'm gonna take two mascaras. I'm gonna use the Merit Perfect Black Lengthening Mascara first, and I'm gonna go in with a volumizing one. So let me just take that. Now I'm gonna go in with my favorite, the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. This mascara is amazing and it is so affordable. It's about $3 at Ulta. It is the best. Is it still $3 or has the price gone up? I don't know. Maybe it's not $3 anymore. But it's really good. It's my favorite. So my face is looking a little powdery, and I'm gonna show you guys how to, you know, really fix that powdery look and what to do. But let's finish our makeup. Let's finish our makeup first, and then I'll show you guys that. So I'm gonna take some blush. I'm going to mix these two. I love mixing these two colors together. It's just like the perfect combination of my skin tone. So I'm gonna take this one. They don't have names. Oh, they do have names. This is, that's not Fire Orange. I'm guess, wait, hold on. I'm not even gonna tell you guys names because I don't know. But this one and this one, I take these two. These are from Ofra. This is a Ofra Charm Your Cheeks palette. Tap it off and then just, I like to apply my blush very like upwards. I don't like to like do this. I like to, you know, go upwards. Alright, so that is very nice. And now I'm going to take a very little highlight. I don't even think people put highlighter anymore. Like, what's up with that? But I'm going to take my Kaja Mochi Glow highlighter in Toy Allen, and I'm just going to apply very little highlight on the top of my blush. And then I like to use a sponge to really blend that in. And now the part that I was telling you guys about. So if your makeup looks very powdery and like you don't want it to look powdery, but you don't want it to look too dewy, you can just take a bunch of spray. So I'm taking the Milk Hydrogrip spray. I'm just going to drench my face in it, and then I'm going to take a sponge and pat it in there so it can like really help the makeup stay, but also help it look more natural. So I'm just going to take the spray. By the way, I'm looking for like new setting sprays. If you guys have any ideas or recommendations on what setting sprays to purchase, please let me know, because I'm like running out of setting sprays and I've been using like the same ones over and over. So as you see, my skin is starting to look somewhat dewy, but I'm taking my sponge and I'm patting it in. I'm patting in all of the products, and no, the product is not going to come off because this is a setting spray. So that's its job, is to set your makeup. I'm just patting everything in. So my face is basically done, and that was very simple, but yet very beautiful and very put together. And I feel like this is like what the young kids are doing now. Like I call it like young kids. 27, so I'm young still, but you know, like I mean like my sister's age, like 20, 19. So anyways, I'm going to take this lip liner from NYX. This is just brown, a lip pencil in brown. I'm gonna take this Nars Dance Fever lipstick. I love this color. And I'm just gonna apply this to the center today. And then put my lips together. And you see my lips are like super natural looking. That's what I wanted. And I'm gonna top it off with this Merit Bel Air tinted lip oil. Love this stuff. It's so amazing. And that's it. That's the nice beginner friendly makeup tutorial. So thank you so much for watching. That is it for this video. I hope you guys like this beginner friendly makeup tutorial and, you know, sitting down and just doing this with me. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not already, and I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.